Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Friday celebration assembly. It's been a crazily busy week at school, as always, but as we come near the end of term, it just gets busier and busier. Obviously, the week before we had our sports days, and we've had so much going on with visits and trips happening. We welcome back our year sixes today. You've been isolating because your bubble was closed, but well done to all the year sixes who've been working really hard at home over the last week or so. It's great to have you back, and we've got lots planned for you up until the end of term, because after this week, we've only got 2 weeks left in school. So lots to get through and only 2 weeks left. This week, some of the highlights from this week, we had some year 5 pupils go to an athletics competition at 9 Styles. So Mr. Croxton and Miss Martin took a group of our year 5 children, and they did brilliantly at the tournament and came back with lots of medals, as always. So flying the flag for Lee Forest there with the athletics. We've also had workshops for year 5. So we've had PCSO and PC Fletcher in, talking to the children, preparing them for year 6. It's just been one thing after another in a positive way. We've just had activity after activity, lots going on. Shame about the weather this week. It's not the best. Let's get our fingers crossed and hope for some better weather coming up. Like I say, in the next 2 weeks, we've got lots of things happening. Next week, I know everyone's looking forward to this. So on Wednesday next week, in the morning, we have our transition morning. So that is where you will find out who your teachers are from September, and you will get to spend the morning with your new teacher in your new classroom for the whole morning. So really looking forward to that. So what we'll do next Wednesday is every class will join the Google Meet just like this, and I will announce each class at a time. And then once all the classes are announced, we'll all do a change around in school to go and spend the morning in our new classrooms with our new teachers. So really, really exciting. And year 6, lots of things planned for you towards the end of term 2. We've got your sports day to complete, and we've also got your graduation and talent show with food and celebrations afterwards. So again, we're hoping for some nice weather, because that's all taking place outside. So keep those fingers crossed, some nice weather, because it should be summer, but it's not the best weather right now. But fingers crossed we can get that. Also, in the next few weeks, we've got our Remarkable Lives Festival. So that's on the 13th of July. On that day, we've got something happening in school, The Greatest Showman, and some circus skills. And there's also fun activities taking place throughout the day. And there's also obviously the festival that will join all of our 58 other AET schools across the UK for some fun activities. So lots to look forward to, but without further ado, let's look at our stars of the week for this week. Let's have a fantastic Friday, and let's see who's won our star of the week and who are our attendance winners this week. Over to you.
Nursery Child of the Week this week goes to Fatty. Fatty, you have been really impressing me with your number recognition. Fatty can recognise numbers up to 100, which is absolutely remarkable. When we're counting in class, he's always joining in and participating, and he's such a fantastic role model to all of the other children. Fatty, you are so ready for reception. I'm really going to miss you. You're a superstar.
My child of the week is Eliza. Eliza, the progress that you've made with your writing is amazing. You've been working really hard on your pencil grip, and the control has improved, so well done and keep it up.
This week, Mrs. Callie and I have chosen Keziah. Keziah, you only started at Lee Forest last week, and we've been so impressed with how enthusiastic you are to learn, and we can't wait for you to move to year 1 and see how much progress you make next year. Well done.
My star of the week this week is Benji. Benji, I've been really impressed with how hard you're working. You're engaging in all the activities in the classroom, you're reading every day at home, and you're doing extra work. It's really good to see. Well done, Benji. Keep it up.
Hi everyone, our child of the week this week is Jackson. We've chosen you, Jackson, for your remarkable maths work. You've really pushed your limits in all of your learning this week, so well done, keep it up.
Hi everyone, my child of the week has absolutely blown me away. She is becoming so independent with her writing and trying so hard to form all her letters the correct way. I know that she's been working extremely hard with Mrs. Ward and it really is starting to show off. So Lily May, I'm so proud of the progress that you are making in class. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Samuel. Samuel, I have chosen you for my child of the week for your fantastic maths work. You have been dividing numbers by 2, 5 and 10 independently. I'm really proud of you, Samuel. Keep it up.
This week I've chosen 2 stars of the week. I've chosen Connor and Saliha for being absolutely remarkable on our trip to Western. They're both really sensible, they both listened to instructions carefully and have both had an awesome time. Thank you for being amazing. Well done both.
Hello everybody, for my child of the week this week I've chosen someone who is quite new to our class. This person has settled in so well into our class and it's been really lovely to have them here. You wouldn't have known that they are new at all. This person really pushes their limits. They are putting their hand up in class. They are making sure they bring their reading diary back every single day. And it was really lovely this week to see them transfer the skills that they've learnt from their old school to their Spanish lessons at Lee Forest. So a big well done, both. Keep it up and you are a lovely member of the class to have.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is George. George came to us in lockdown, which is such a strange time to join a new class. There's been some ups, there's been some downs, it's been a bumpy road. But we are finally getting to a point in that road where, George, you are showing me that you are settled, you are showing me that you can be resilient and big-hearted, and you're proving not just to me, but to yourself that you are a remarkable student and you do deserve to be here at Lee Forest. This is definitely the place for you. But really, the reason I've chosen you is because you've got a hidden talent. You are an amazing sewer. You have blown me away this week. You just adapted to it so quickly. You've been around helping other children. Your mum was even really surprised, but I think you've really enjoyed it. So that's why I've chosen you, because you are showing that you are enjoying your learning as well. Well done, George. Keep being remarkable because you do have a very bright future ahead of you.
Hello everybody, it gives me immense pleasure this week to announce that my child of the week is the remarkable Corey. Yesterday, Corey was awarded a pen licence from Mr. Clark and I know he is extremely proud of himself. Corey has worked towards securing his pen licence for the past 2 years and he has been resilient and shown independence in every one of his lessons, and he has persevered and that perseverance has paid off. Well done, Corey. I am proud of you and I know that the rest of your classmates in 4SH are also proud of you. Keep being remarkable, Corey. Bye all.
Good morning everyone. Miss Hadfield and I have chosen Yusuf as our child of the week this week. Yusuf, you have been trying really hard in all of the lessons, pushing your limits and really focusing on what you're trying to achieve. We're really proud of how you've settled down and really focused on your work this week. So well done, keep it up, we're proud of you.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Bayan. I can't believe I haven't picked her already because she's a really hard worker. But lately her work's really improved. She's coming in with a smile on her face, she's working really hard and I'm really impressed. Keep up the great work, Bayan, well done.
My child of the week this week is Jack. I've chosen Jack because he's really persevering with his maths. He's trying to put all of his working out in his book instead of working it out in his head, and he's really coming on. So well done, Jack.
My child of the week this week is for Sophie, and I've chosen Sophie for putting 110% into everything that she does. She's been coming to my maths booster groups and I've seen a big improvement in her maths work. In English, she's been trying her best. She's really crafty, she loves art and crafts, and her topic work's been fab. So excellent work all year round, Sophie. Keep it up in year 6, well done.
Hello everyone, I'd like to say a big welcome back to Year 6. Great to be back in school. And I would also like to say a big thank you to Year 6 for your remarkable work whilst we've been in isolation. Some of you have been an absolute joy to work with, and it's been a pleasure because working across Year 6 instead of just with your class allows you the opportunity to get to know other children as well. So that's been something to take away from this time, but we're back in class. And this has been so difficult. I have thought long and hard about who would be my child of the week this week. So many of you have stepped up, and I'd like to say a big well done for that. But eventually, and I've cheated again this week, I've chosen 2 children. I would like to say a big well done to Cole. Your work and your contributions in our live lesson have been really well thought out and of a really excellent standard. And Lexi, the work that you send me is always amazing and of the same standard I get in the class, and it's always a pleasure. So I want to say a big thank you and well done to you 2 children, but a well done to everyone else too. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. 6CF's Child of the Week this week has been super hard to choose. You've all been so phenomenal with your online learning and your engagement and the work that you've completed, your contributions in the lessons. You've made it really, really hard for me this week. So I started racking my brains as to who's completed everything, well, quite a lot of you, who's come and contributed quite often in the lessons, and who's come back and asked for help on the meet whenever they've struggled or needed something. And then a name stood out, and that name is Reese Checkley. So you're my child of the week this week. Well done for your engagement with your online learning, for really challenging yourself, pushing yourself, and doing much better than you've ever done in this type of setting before. I have to say I'm delighted to have you all back. Yes. Really, really well done. I'm proud of you. Last 2 weeks, let's do this.
Good morning, everyone. The Learning Mentors Child of the Week has been chosen by myself and Mr. Connery this week, and it is the entire Year 2 group for their amazing, wonderful behaviour at Western-super-Mare and showing everybody what a fantastic school we are. We love seeing you all enjoying yourselves in the sand, on the arcades with your fish and chips. It was a fantastic day out for us, and we were really grateful to be part of it. Well done, guys. Proud of you all.
Abdullah in 3MC, you are the Child of the Week in the EAL Hub because you always join in with class discussions and contribute some remarkable ideas. Also, you are becoming a more independent learner and completing the activities set and often moving on to the proving task. You've been working so hard lately to push your limits. Keep up the hard work, Star of the Week. See you soon. Bye.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Friday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Friday, Sunday. It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again. I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'll be over this by now. Yeah. It's been too long since we got crazy. You know we finally here, right? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday.
It's Friday again. It's Friday, Sunday. It's Friday again. It's Friday, Sunday. It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday again.
I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'd be over this by now. Yeah.
I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.